Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to log out or remove Gmail account on your device. Let's see how to do it. For do this, first of all, open your Gmail app. Tap on profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on manage account on this device. Tap on Google. Now select your Gmail account that you want to remove or log out, and here you can see more option. Tap on three dot icon and remove your account. Again tap on remove account. By doing this process, you can successfully log out or remove your Gmail account from your device. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.